Hey love, so welcome back to my channel. It's Kedisar, and today I want to talk about how crystals and sage don't make you spiritual. Sorry if this bursted anybody's bubble, but it's just the truth, and I've been noticing some things I just wanted to address for the benefit of everybody, okay? So before we get into why these things aren't inherently spiritual, what makes you spiritual in the first place? Let's kind of get into that. So spirituality can be defined in many ways, but a common theme and what I go by is connecting to my spirit as a means of raising my awareness and improving my life through reprogramming, healing, and manifesting. So just a general raising of your awareness, noticing the interconnectedness of everything in the world, the universe, beyond, and so on and so forth. Now, crystals have energetic properties that can assist you in your spirituality. Like you can have a rose quartz to assist you in, love and establishing love within yourself and spreading it outwardly to others. And you have crystals like the clear quartz that will just amplify any energy you're carrying, which is why you should try your best to carry positive energy, and it will just amplify that more, helping you to improve your life, etc. So a lot of crystals have property, like energetical properties, that can help you on your spiritual journey if you know how to use them correctly. But merely wearing a crystal or carrying a crystal without any intention doesn't make you spiritual. I'm sorry. In addition to that, sage is very similar. It has like cleansing energetical properties that can most definitely help you and assist you in your spirituality, cleansing negativity, because like I said, common theme is just increasing the positivity in your life. And if I didn't say that, I'm saying it now. So yeah, cleansing negative energy can definitely help you with that, like I said, if you're doing it with intention. But we also have to recognize whether or not we're the negative energy. Like if we're cutting everyone out of our lives and cleansing our room all the time, like all this negativity, what's a common theme here? It may just be that you have a little too much negativity that you have to cleanse within yourself, and sage won't help you much with that. You gotta do some inner work. You can't just take out some sage, light it, and then wave it around your room and expect it all to just magically disappear, especially if you're the one who's like spreading that negativity to begin with. So definitely be introspective and don't let these things keep you from looking within and doing your own inner work. A lot of people use these materialistic items as a means to decorate their ego. Like they're doing everything outwardly, like, oh, this will help with the energies, this will help with this and that, but they're not ever really being introspective and looking inward to see like how some of these things in their life originate in the first place, and see if they're the ones birthing and attracting negativity to their life. So don't use these materialistic items as a crutch either, because you'll eventually find out that that's not going to work very well for you. You got to do the hard work. So crystals and sage are not inherently spiritual. Like they're not spiritual items by nature, but they can assist you in your spirituality. It all depends on how you use it and what intention you have going into it. If you wear crystals, as jewelry all the time, but you're also always cursing people out and just being really rude and mean, etc., all you're doing with those crystals are decorating your ego, because it's supposed to help you be more positive. But if you are putting in no effort in that, then it's not going to help you. It's all about your intention. Spirituality can mean different things to different people, but it universally tends to include raising your awareness to be open to more peace, love, and light, and also being more open to spreading these things as well. And this comes with making a really conscious and intentional effort to do so. Like I said, you can't just wear some ornament, some crystal, and expect these things to be done. These things come with work. Spirituality ain't nothing easy. People think it's just like people sitting around, kumbaya, love and light, love and light. But no, how are you gonna achieve that love and light? What work will it take to get there to where you're in a place of abundance? You know, these things come with work, and that's what people have to realize. Spiritual people aren't just these sappy people sitting around holding hands around a tree. No. So yeah, I hope this helped clarify a little bit more about spirituality, the essence of it, and how materialistic things aren't inherently spiritual, and it all depends on your intentions with things and how you use it and the efforts you make to actually benefit from the properties of these objects, you know? So that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like the video if you liked it. Comment down below any future suggestions or any comments or questions, and subscribe. Join the family. Like, we're fun. We want you here. I want you here, and we'll have a good time once you click that button and the bell so that you're notified every time I post. And that is all. Until next time, peace and love.